Good morning, good morning. Today's project is going to be fun. I got the peel and stick tiles to try for the backsplash in our kitchen. We have an older house that hasn't been updated, so I decided to get these and try them today just for a temporary replacement, because the one that we have here is so old and just looks so bad that I wanted to go ahead and replace it. Since I found these on Amazon for a great price, and I know a lot of people are using them in their van builds and in their RVs. They're really lightweight and a option for someone who might be renting as well and they don't like certain tiles in the house. They come off easily. That way when you move, you can just take them off and whoever you are renting from won't say anything. So eventually I will probably replace these with real tiles, but for now I wanted to try them out and see how they work. So let's get started doing that. Okay, so I got the Subway tiles. This is what they look like, and they were a good price on Amazon, so I went ahead and I got 2 packs. I don't think I'm going to need both packs, but just in case I mess up or I need some extras, I got 2 packs for this project. So I really like how they look in the box, and I can't wait to see how they look on the wall. Okay, this is where I'm going to start, and you can see this old linoleum here. Eventually I'm going to replace everything, but this is where we're starting now. So the tiles have a zigzagged edge, as you can see here. So the first tile that we're going to butt up against the wall, we're going to have to cut that all flush so it's a straight line on that side, so that we have a straight line to meet up with the wall. So that's what I'm going to do now with my handy dandy cutting tool. I'm going to do this by hand because I'm used to doing it by hand. You may want to use a yardstick or something to help you get a straight line. Okay, so the first one is placed, and this is how it looks. So I'm really happy with that so far. Let's get the rest put in there. Alright, so I had to go around the electrical outlet, and it has definitely caused a pattern change. So this is something that does complicate things, and you will need extra tiles for, so I'm glad that I did get the extra tiles. That way, if I make a mistake, I have extra to fix it with. And I have cut a special piece just to start right here so that everything lines up. So let's see how this part goes, but it is definitely something to pay attention to when you do it, if you decide that you want to use these. The Subway tile ones especially, since they have the lines in them. This is what somebody put up before we came, so I'm taking this down. See? And I'm putting up the new stuff. It's sticky too.